What is the best grow tent kit? Here are my full reviews of the best grow tent kits, together with their what we liked and what we didn't like. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. TopoGrow LED Grow Tent Complete Kit. The indoor marijuana growing kit by TopoGrow is a serious weed growing machine. This indoor grow tent kit comes with a 300-watt LED grow light along with 2 cooling fans. The grow tent itself is made out of 96% highly reflective waterproof diamond mylar. The exterior is composed of durable, heavy-duty light-proof Oxford cloth that is 600D. The grow tent has one of the best and sturdiest construction setups you will find. It is equipped with 16 mm diameter metal rods that are coated in white paint for maximum reflectivity. The plastic corners are thick, 16 mm, and reinforced. Inside, the tent has a 4 inches fan, ducting, and filter combination to keep things nice and airy. The 100W fan has a 189 CFM displacement and 1-inch carbon filter layer to keep the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. The kit even comes with 25 feet of 4 inches double-layer ducting for additional ventilation. The tent has a changeable Velcro pre-filter with double elastic bands. The thick carbon layer makes it nearly impossible for marijuana odors to escape, so you don't need to worry about smells giving you away. This grow tent kit can be used at all stages of growing plants, from veg state to flowering. It has a full spectrum design that makes it easy for you to cultivate marijuana plants at any life stage. The package comes in 3 separate boxes, each discreetly packaged to protect your privacy. What we liked: odor elimination with carbon filters and 2 fans. Discreet packaging and setup. 300-watt LED grow light that is included as one of the best of its kind. What we didn't like: small kit if you plan on growing multiple plants. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. TopoLite Grow Tent Room Complete Kit Hydroponic Growing System. This grow room kit offers you the full grow tent setup, making it easy to get starter growing marijuana as a beginner. It comes with a 4 inches activated carbon filter to help absorb odors. The outer and inner mesh of the tent have 53% open area, which makes it easier for air to flow in and out of the unit without spreading smells. The grow tent also comes with a 4 inches inline duct fan that is fluted on both ends. This duct is low noise, so you won't hear your fans or lights operating when you are outside the tent. The tent comes with galvanized steel clamps that are totally adjustable, along with a 300-watt LED grow light. The light can be operated for up to 16 hours each day. Inside the tent, you will find a 96% highly reflective waterproof diamond mylar. The outside is made of heavy-duty 600D light-proof Oxford cloth and is framed with metal roofs that are coated in white paint. A purchase of this grow room kit also includes elastic ropes, a pre-filter, a power line for the light, stainless steel hanging kits, and a waterproof floor tray. What we liked: comes with detailed instructions for assembly. Offers exceptional odor elimination. Comes with plenty of free accessories. What we didn't like: beginner kit that can only hold a few plants, not ideal for experienced or professional growers. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. HTG Supply 3x3, 39, x 39, x 79. Grow Tent Kit. The HTG Supply Grow Box Kit is an affordable option for people who are just starting out with growing their own marijuana. This grow tent kit is offered by HTG Supply, one of the top names in grower supplies. They have been working with and listening to their customers for over a decade, helping cultivate the best equipment for indoor gardening. All of their grow tent kits are considered plug and play, and are remarkably easy to assemble. You will get everything you need in this weed grower starter kit, from a 400W complete HPS grow light with a bulb, rope ratchet grow light hangers, and even a mechanical timer that can be plugged in a 120V outlet. This grow tent kit is the perfect size for any growing space. It takes the hassle out of growing your own marijuana, with the assembled kit measuring 39 x 39, 85. The kit comes together quickly with no tools required. All of the electronic components that are included can be plugged right into standard power outlets, and all items are shipped discreetly. In addition to the light, hangers, and timer, this tent also comes with a Grow Bright Hygrometer, Hygrometer, a fan and flange kit, a circulation fan, 3.5-gallon hydroponic systems, and an advanced nutrients pH Perfect Grow, Micro, Bloom combo pack to fertilize your plants. Of course, you get the Grow tent, too. Plus, this Grow tent kit comes with a complete instructional manual to help you put everything together. What we liked. Manufactured by one of the most reputable grow kit manufacturers. Comes with pH Perfect fertilizer technology and a free nutrients combo pack. Quick and simple to assemble. What we didn't like. Does not come with features, like a carbon filter, to mask marijuana odor. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Bloom Grow 24, X24, X48, Grow Tent Indoor Grow Tent Complete Kit. This indoor grow tent kit has everything you could ever want out of a Kush grow kit. When you order this kit by Bloom Grow, you get the tent floor tray, LED 300W grow light, fan, hangers, hygrometer, timer, bonsai shears, and a trellis net. What more could you want? This is one of the best cheap grow tent kits you can buy because it comes pre-loaded with everything you could ever need. The grow tent is made out of 96% reflective waterproof diamond mylar. The door has large, heavy-duty zippers along with double stitching to prevent light leaks. The door is large enough to make it easy to get inside and work your plants. The included digital hygrometer is stable and accurate, showing you both humidity, temperature, and even time all at once. The rope ratchet hanger that is included can hold up to 75 pounds of weight, and the LED grow light has a full-spectrum design that makes it easy to grow your plants at any stage of life. Shipping is quick and discreet, so you'll be growing your own marijuana indoors in no time. What we liked. Included LED light is full spectrum, combining both red and blue wavelengths. Affordable, all-inclusive option. Heavy-duty zippers resist tearing and snagging. What we didn't like. Light is too small for multiple plants. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. The Budgrowercom Complete Indoor Grow Kit with Fan, Soil, 48, X48, X80 Hut. This is the best grow tent kit if you are looking to grow multiple plants and don't mind taking up a little bit of extra space. This weed growing kit makes it possible for you to grow up to 9 plants at once, all with one of these turnkey, complete grow tent packages. One of the best cheap grow kits for weed, the Budgrowercom's complete indoor grow kit is ideal for beginner and expert growers alike. It will help you produce high yields and makes growing fun. The tent is a whopping 4x4x 6.5 feet, meaning it can easily accommodate multiple plants. The kit also comes with growing soils you might need, like Coca Loca and Kind soil. The kit also comes with 6 grow pots, 2 clip fans, showers, cementing jars, and soil grow plugs. When you make a purchase, you even get a high-quality 4-layer drying rack to allow you to process your yields more quickly. What we liked. Comes with a satisfaction guarantee. Ships with a detailed instructional video and step-by-step guided manual. Includes growing soils and containers. What we didn't like. Not designed for small spaces. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.